Hi riders, in this video we will see the BMW K1600 Grand America 2022 6 fast facts. Wait! Don't forget to subscribe. And leave a comment if you liked the content. The 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America arrives on the scene as part of a 4-motorcycle K1600 lineup from the German factory. Earlier dug deep into the technical updates that the K1600s share, motor and suspension revisions and improvement, so we encourage you to click here to read about those significant changes. This story focuses on the changes exclusive to the Grand America, a low-slung full dresser, the most expensive K1600 variant of the quartet of inline-six touring motorcycles. Fact 1. BMW's new 2.0 audio system is standard equipment on the 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America. Preset equalizations allow the rider to tailor the sound to a personal liking. 4 presets, bass boost, treble boost, voice, and balanced, are crafted with the expectation that you'll be using speaking in your helmet to enjoy the 2.0 system. A studio profile provides the best SAN helmet sound, which BMW associates with the motorcycle being parked. Additionally, the treble and bass adjustments are capable of wide swings in impact. BMW has also integrated with 2.0 system into the Grand America's wiring system, rather than treating it as an add-on. Additionally, you get a year's worth of Sirius XM satellite radio for free. You keep track of it all on the 10.25-inch TFT dash. Fact 2. There are 3 styling options for the Grand America: Standard, Exclusive, and Option 719 Midnight. Here's what each entails. Standard. Slipstream deflector trim, tank center cover, front part of the front fender in black storm metallic, engine spoiler in night black, matte black storm metallic, body frame, engine, and seat in black. Exclusive. Manhattan metallic matte body frame, engine, and seat in black, slipstream deflector trim and tank center cover in black storm metallic, front part of the front fender in Manhattan white metallic, engine spoiler in night black matte, $275 MSRP. Option 719 Midnight Edition. Meteoric Dust II Metallic body with water transfer printing method, frame and engine in black. Option 719 Seat in black, with diamond top stitching and model designation, slipstream deflector trim, front part of the front fender, and tank center cover in Meteoric Dust II Metallic, engine spoiler in night black matte, $2,750 MSRP. Fact 3. Although there are no BMW assembled packages for the Grand America, BMW does offer customization serving suggestions. The Comfortable One recommends bass support for the comfort armrests, and liners for the top case and side cases. BMW suggests bass support for the comfort armrests and chrome-plated mirror caps for the conspicuous one. Fact 4. To help differentiate the Grand America from the B-Bagger, it enjoys a few extra standard features. Besides the obvious top case and additional sound system speakers, the Grand America includes a quick shifter, keyless ride, central locking system, and an anti-theft alarm. Fact 5. If you're wondering about the water transfer printing method used on the Option 719 Midnight Edition, you're not the only one. Fortunately, BMW explains it. The Option 719 Midnight Edition includes a galaxy theme. It looks like a custom paint job of a night sky. It's a production process, but it's a complicated one. Backing films are designed and created. With that accomplished, the back films are activated in a water bath. Then, the film and the objective, bag or tank, are pressed together in the water bath. The graphic is then transferred onto the objective. A hand-applied 2-component clear coat is applied over the graphic to protect it. Fact 6. You can get a 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America in February. The list price is $27,745, $5,200 more than the B-Bagger. 2022 BMW K1600 Grand America specs. (2022 BMW K1600 Grand America price, $27,475 MSRP. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.